Hi, welcome to Driver Care. In this video, I want to do a country road drive. I wouldn't call it country lane because it's actually wide enough for two cars for the most part, which to me makes it a country road. So it's a nice road. It's quite fast as well. There's a lot of national speed limit areas as well as 40s. So we'll go through Up Street. So from Aldington through Up Street into Lympne, past the zoo, all that kind of stuff. Watching out as usual for hazards, blind bends, cyclists, all of that kind of stuff. And I think the road is actually quite a smooth road as well, apart from, while we're here in Aldington, obviously, patchwork tarmac, which causes bumpiness. But very quickly, we're out of Aldington. I don't think I've ever started a journey in Aldington. So this is a first for the channel. Cyclist, getting his exercise in, national speed limit. Whoop, whoop. Could be a quick run this, 10 minutes maybe, max. But I do like a country road. Unless, of course, I get stuck behind a slow-moving vehicle. Could be a tractor, delivery vehicle. For the most part, it could be empty all the way. And it feels like a racing track. Woo-hoo! In my sporty little number. Right, we've got junction on the left. Right at the brow of the hill as well. Look at this, vast open road. I think I said this in one of my other videos. All I want is an open road. Well, that's what I seem to have. Currently doing 50. It's a joy. Car and dead. Oh, it was a rag. Give way. I will give way. I won't just pull straight out. Nothing coming. Then we get on the nice fast road to Up Street. Through Up Street, which reduces to 40. Through Up Street, and then it's back to national speed limit till we get into Lympne. Posties about. Postman pets. It's appropriate in a countryside lane like this. See a little van. Well, it's not Up Street. Why did I think it was Up Street? It's Court at Street. Down to 40. Where's Up Street then, folks? I had it in my head this was Up Street. So a couple of blind bends. This is obviously built up now, which is why they've reduced the speed to 40. So I could have cars coming out of drives, doors opening on parked cars, giving way to oncoming traffic, all of that kind of stuff. Got a smear on my windscreen. I like driving in this kind of light. 1 minute it's really bright and then it clouds over again. National speed limit. Watch out for the manhole covers, they will cause bumps. Coast is looking lovely out there. We've got Dymchurch down at the bottom. Lovely. now come in a tree-lined avenue type road, which is still very fast road. Port Lympne Zoo on the right there. Parking for Port Lympne Zoo on the left. Road narrows ahead. Single file traffic, it says. Stagger Junction. Slowing down just in case anyone's creeping out. I can see there isn't anyone there. Straight through. It's a lovely English country road, isn't it? Brick walls. Love a brick wall, I do. One day I will own a house that has a big brick wall outside it. Just got to keep the momentum of the YouTube going. I should become a YouTube guru. That's what I want to do. School ahead. I think we're in Lympne now. Although I didn't see a sign saying welcome to Lympne. Quartet Street had Lympne in brackets, didn't it? Right, reducing down to a 30. There's the Lympne sign. Welcome to Lympne. The county members. Very nice. We've got the village hall on the right. I'm actually going to go down here and then pull up where the old post office is. Oh, Stone Street. Stone Street goes all the way to Canterbury, doesn't it? I wonder if this is where it ends. Oncoming vehicles, best give way. I don't know what the history of Lympne is, whether it was just a rural farming community and eventually had all these homes on the main drag through. But there's no industry here. It's just a place to live. We'll go up here and end the video. It was very important during World War II because an awful lot of the buildings were requisitioned by the military. And so the whole village became a kind of closed down community. Little post office and stores. It's an appropriate place to stop, isn't it? At least they've got themselves a post office. That'll do. How long was that? 8 minutes. I feel I should do a long one to compensate. So that's what I'm going to do. The next video is going to be quite long, so stay tuned for the next one. In the meantime, thanks for watching and bearing with. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Drive with care.